Naveen and Pramod. Yes. So in that scenario, what we can do? We can use some other variables. So far we have been with the policies and variable. Okay. Now we have other variable called allow request with violation. So in some case, this initializer won't be there. Just variable name will be there. That's not what you can do. You can add this variable initializer, and you can make them as true. So not only with this variable, any other like, let's take an example. This variable name is approval set. There is no initializer. There is no other stuff. If you want to add, you can add directly, like here you can add variable initializer equals something. So let's have enabled this one allowed request with violation. It's safe, and let me try to submit again for the same user. So here you can check policy. Violation will occur. There is no button. Let me cancel this and let me try. Okay. Let me select this one. You guys know, right? Why it's been populating one optional rule available. I think we have made them. Already we have enabled in the permitted rules. That's why we have enabled in the permitted rules. There is two options. Right, one is required rule. Another one is permitted rule. That's the reason. Now you are able to submit with violation. The button has been enabled from here. So frankly, I'm saying initial, last 5, 6 years back. Client wants to enable this button. So I was reaching front-end developer, and I was trying to do some other stuff. Okay, I was not aware that time, so we can enable very easily. I have wasted my time and client time as well. Is it clear? So a number of features you can enable using the variable. Just go through this variable LCM provisioning workflow. You will understand anything the same way. Same 6 years back trying to saying, but whenever you are going to submit any work item, comments has to be mandatory. The star mark has to be there. Without that, work item should not get complete. Even though I was working on same thing. It took some time to complete, but finally I came to know. Using one variable you can achieve very easily. So that is the reason I'm telling again. Just go through this, not this workflow. We have other sub-workflows as well. Just try to go through the variable and try to understand. You can achieve very easily. The client requirement. Is it clear if I'm going to click with submit with violation? It will allow me to submit. Okay, here the submit button is disabled, right? I won't be able to submit. I can cancel the request, but I won't be able to submit either. I have to remove any one role. Then only it will allow me to submit, but now have a button saying Submit with Violation. I can click on that, and it will allow me to submit with violation. Is it make sense? Yes. Okay. So now there is client saying, one more requirement came. Now they are saying we need to get some business justification whenever they are going to submit with violation. Some business justification has to be there. So now, what can we do? Did you understand? Requirement. Yep. So we are allowing them to submit with violation. So whenever there is some unforeseen situation, but we want them to provide some business justification, why they are expecting these roll immediately to get it done. So we need some business justification, some comments from requester. So in that scenario, what you can do? Same workflow. Okay. Here we have another variable called require violation review comments. Do you need to enable this one? You need to make them as true. Click Save. Now go to Access Request page. Okay. So now you can click on the Submit with Violation button. But last time when you click it directly submitted. Now you are going to click, it will ask you to provide some comments. Is it clear? So some business justification. This is how you are going to enable. Once in a while, definitely these kind of requirement will come. So in that scenario, as a SailPoint developer, you can, need to write any custom code. You can utilize those variables. Is it make sense? Navan Vinay Vartesh Rama. Now client is saying, there should not be. I mean whenever policy violation are found. We should stop them to submit access request. Access request should not get submitted. The workflow has to be terminated. In that scenario, instead of interactive, you can use this fail option. Cancel this request. Straight away, it will cancel the access request. It will terminate the workflow. So now I have selected as fail using this policy scheme. Let me submit. So straight away, it will cancel the workflow. It will cancel fail due to policy violation. Go to Access Request page. There won't be any access request visible. Is it clear? Yeah. Any doubts? No. Okay. One more thing. Let me tell you.